2013 Ford Fusion. I'm going to show you guys how to replace your backup camera if it's not working. So real quick, this is already kind of taken apart. Just wanted to make the video as quick as possible. Pop the trunk open, then you have this cover right here. It's just got like a bunch of plastic clips that you pop off. Then you can bring this down like that. I didn't remove this part right here, so I just kind of left it kind of dangling like that. I'm gonna go over here, so you'll have two. So you have 1, 2, and 3 right here. They are 11 millimeter nut like this one. So remove all those 3, and you're gonna do the same for the driver's side right here. 1, 2, and 3 right there. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop the tail light off just like that. Pop this off right here too. So right over here, this is gonna be the plastic trim that you need to remove. You can see this. You see right here, this is sitting inside that. So you need to pry it off with a flathead screwdriver, take it out of its place. Do the same for right here. Pop it off, it'll come out of place. All right, so right over there too, you'll have 10 millimeter nut right there. Go ahead and take it off. Take off that one and that one as well. Then you'll have one more right here, and also on that side right there, in the driver's side. So you got 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna come around right here on this side. So you'll have this plastic clip right here. This is kind of sticking out like that. So what you need to do is you need to squeeze it like this one. So I squeeze that, and then at the same time you can pop it off. And you'll do the same thing on this side. You have that plastic clip right there. Let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. So you need to squeeze that, and then it'll come off. Same for here. This one just came off like that. So you need to squeeze those two, and then you can pry this whole plastic trim off. This is going to be your backup camera right here. You'll have a T20 right here, so go ahead and take this off. It looks like that. This plastic piece right here will come off. Then we can gently pry out the camera like that. It just pops right off. Then you can unplug it. And so this gets really dirty, so it gets stuck after a while, but it'll come off eventually. So this is the old camera right here. This is the new one. If you guys want the same camera that I'm using, I'll have the link down in the description for you guys. It'll direct you to the same exact camera that I'm using here. So go ahead and inspect the inside of that connector. If it's like dirty and full of dirt, just clean it up, and then you can reconnect this new camera right here. Slide it like that, and then slide it right there. Then we can put that plastic trim back on. So it clips on to right over there, and then you can put that T20 screw back on right here. So now your backup camera is installed, but before we put everything back together, test it out first, make sure it works before we put everything back together. Put it in reverse. All right, now we can see that the camera is working fine. We can put everything back together, and that is it. All right, so to put it back together, go ahead and slide this plastic clip right into there first, and do the same for this one. Push that all the way in. And then this is gonna be a little bit tight, but you're gonna have to bend it back a little bit. I'm gonna have to use both of my hands for this so I don't break the plastic panel. But you're gonna bend these two right here and slide it in just like that. There we go. Then you got one more right here. Same goes for here. go. So just push everything back together and then install your taillights back on, and don't forget to reinstall those put your taillights back on, and don't forget to reinstall these right here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and put this cover back on, and that's it, guys. That's how you replace the backup camera in this Ford Fusion. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button, guys, and again, thank you for watching.